Hello everyone and welcome back to an unboxing of the Soul Women. Today we have the Puma Cruise Rider in 2 colourways. So this is a brand new silhouette from Puma. It's a chunkier version of the classic Rider. I've got a pastel-y kind of pinky yellow colourway and Tegan here has got a more blue hued colourway.
So I'm absolutely loving this cute blue colourway. It's very tropical. It's making me think of nice blue seas and getting away on holiday. And I am definitely feeling refreshed looking at both of these colourways. I'm also loving the pink colourway. It's something a bit different. You don't always have a pink sneaker, so it's definitely going to be standing out.
Yeah, I like all the materials that they've used on the upper as well. You've got the suede in the heel, a bit of mesh at the front, but it looks premium, but like with a playful twist as well. Okay, so with this shoe, I've kind of gone for 2 looks. I've chosen a more casual, everyday look. I feel like because it's such a bold shoe, you don't really need to go that bold up top. You can kind of keep to more of a minimal look. The shoe kind of speaks for itself, really, doesn't it? It's bringing all the colour to the look.
And I've kind of followed suit here. I've gone for a more casual look and then one that has a little bit more of a punch with it. So you can definitely dress it up or down, whether you're wanting a bit more of a playful look or something that is just stripped back to, as Kelly said, let the sneakers speak for themselves.
I do feel like with this shoe as well, because there's so many different colours on it, you can swap out the laces. So if you've got both of these shoes, you can mix and match the laces for them.
So to round up, this has been the Puma Cruise Rider in aquamarine here and in pink, lady and yellow pair. And you can cop both of them right now for just £80. All you need to do is either tap the product tag on the video or you can find the links in the description. We've been Tegan and Kelly for the Soul Women's and we will see you next time.